Okay, we're going to take a look at synthetic division, and one of the first things we need to keep in mind is called the remainder theorem, which says that if we divide some function f of x by a term x minus k, and then we evaluate that function at k, then that's the remainder. That's what it says to us. The next thing we keep in mind is called the factor theorem, and what that says is if we have a polynomial f of x, if we divide by that term x minus k, so it's the same thing that we had in our remainder theorem. If we do evaluate it at k and we come up with 0, then that term, x minus k, is a factor of that polynomial. So, let's do a step-by-step synthetic division. So here's our problem. We're going to divide 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 5x minus 12 by the term x minus 3. Now, since the 0 of x minus 3 occurs at 3, that's what we're going to use as the divisor. So your term, x minus 3, the divisor is going to be where does that 0 occur, and the 0 occurs at 3. So I'm going to try to color code this a little bit. As you see, the 3 is our divisor, so that's step 1. Alright, step 2, we're going to write the coefficients in a row next to that divisor. Okay, so here we go. We wrote them in a row. Notice that, again, we're color coding here, so this is step 2. We're going to write the coefficients of the polynomial. Then, we're going to bring that leading coefficient down to the what we call quotient remainder row, and we're repeating our writing here. Notice again color coding. So we're bringing this to the leading coefficient and we bring it down so that we have it underneath there. Now we're going to take that 2 and we're going to multiply the divisor. And then we're going to place that answer in the second row underneath the next term, just like we do in normal division. So, we've got, notice, let me get a different color, or actually a different pen, same color. We're going to take 2 and we're going to multiply it by the divisor. So 2 times 3 is 6. And we're going to place that answer in the second column, second column and second row. We're going to place it under that next term. So that's what we're going to do. Then we're going to add those guys. So we're going to add them up. Got to rewrite all this stuff. Okay, here we go. We speed it up. Then we slow it down. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if we can go back and get the pattern here. Okay, we're going to take this, multiply it, place it here. Then we're going to add this column. So negative 3 plus 6 gives us a 3. Then we're going to multiply 3 times 3, that's 9. We're going to put it under the next term. Then negative 5 plus 9 is 4. Then we're going to multiply, getting really... Multiply 4 times 3, place it in the next row or next column, and add them together, and notice we get 0, which is really handy because what that says is, go back to our factor theorem, if we evaluate the function and the remainder is 0, then it's a factor. So, let's summarize this thing. We've divided our polynomial. We've done synthetic division. Oh, I know. Let's go back and slow this down a little bit. Okay, so I'll go really, really slow. We'll write it again and then go really, really slow. Ready? I think I can do this anyway. Okay. Here we go. Now we don't want to summarize. We don't want that to go slow, but we do want some of it to go slow. So we're going to speed it. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, now we're going slow. Okay, so we've written our coefficients. We draw our line. Now remember, we're going to drop our 2. We're going to take that 2. Multiply by 3 is 6. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 5 plus 9 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And negative 12 plus 12 is 0. Oh, how wonderful. Okay. Now, the first 3 are our quotient coefficients, and the last one is our remainder. So, if we write this, okay, this is in fraction form, by the way. Notice the fraction, thus the name fraction form. Okay, I distracted you from our main mission, so let me go back again. Oh, what the heck, we'll go back the same. Alright, so we're redoing this. Oh! Okay. We don't want to slow down yet. Now we do. No, we don't want to slow down. Oh, now we do. Yeah. Okay. Oh, make up your mind. All right. We're going to take the 2, 3, and the 4. These guys right here. 2, 3, and the 4. We're going to write our coefficient based on that. Okay. So here we go. I think we're slowing down. We're virtually stopped. Okay. All right, here we go. We're going to take that 2. So it's 2x squared. Remember, we divided by x, so x cubed divided by x is x squared. Then we have 3. It comes from our quotient line, so we got 3x. Then we have plus 4. And of course we have the plus 0, but we don't have to worry about that. We do have to go back and take into account that x cannot equal 3, because then we would be dividing by 0 or trying to, which we all know is just nonsense. So, hopefully that gives you an idea on synthetic division. And normally at this time in lessons done before, at the end of the lesson, we have, of course, Yippee. Yahoo! He is watching you.